Hey, what's up DIYers? Mike Boars with the Mike Boars channel. Thank you for watching. We are going to give our pegboard a full makeover. We're going to paint it, we're going to add hooks and fill it with tools and other random things that we purchased from stores over the years. Let's get started. All right DIYers, here it is. And for the most part, it is as organized as it can be under the circumstances. Nothing's painted. And what we're going to do is paint it, both the pegboard as well as these shelves, and brighten this entire area up and install a lot of hooks on the pegboard. As I paint, here's where it's all going to sit, and check this out. Installed a magazine rack near the bar area, and a link scrolling above is the step-by-step guidance on how to do that. Let's paint. Back to the pegboard and shelving. As you can see, it's completely emptied out, and these shelves are not actually connected to the mounts here or brackets. We're going to paint the pegboard as well as these shelves. I went ahead and removed the shelves, and here's what it looks like. I might just paint around those little brackets. Change of plans, put the Craftsman drill to work and removed all of those brackets. Now it's just easy rolling with the paint roller. All right, DIYers, making progress. The first coat is complete, both on the pegboard and all three shelves, as you can see here. And I'll probably put maybe 3 coats at the most. The first coat basically allowed the paint to soak into that pegboard as well as the shelves, and second coat looks good. I may not do a third. Another quick update, DIYers, check this out. I want to lower the shelves, and I brought the brackets all the way down to the bottom portion of the pegboard. Basically made this one flush with the bottom portion here, and then use this long board and my level to position the middle bracket here, or mount, and I held it in place with one hand and maneuvered the board and level until it was perfectly level, and I drilled my holes and sunk the screws. And I did that for the far right bracket. And that's going to give me much more room up top for hanging things on the pegboard, which is nice. All the brackets are re-secured. We are now going to shift these shelves up in place and see what it looks like. After I place the shelves in position, I used the level, and that method actually worked very well. All 3 shelves are perfectly level. Now it's time to install all the hooks. And here's a lot, but not all of them. As you can see, quite a lot of options, and little red covers to go on the tips. Pretty neat. Taking a step back, and while I'm at this workstation, down below in the comment section as well as the description section are links to videos on how to assemble this 6-foot Craftsman workbench, add these shelves, and a link on how to properly and safely install a swivel vise. Definitely check those out. All right, DIYers, I've been busy putting everything back on the shelves and organizing everything on the pegboard using those hooks. And over the months and years of my DIY projects, I open the boxes or packages of the items that I need for the video, and I basically put what I don't use back in the original packing, and here it all is. So basically everything on this pegboard has been opened and used. I think except for that JB weld there. However, again, organization is key for me, DIYers. And we've got a split in the pegboard. And I've got the right pegboard, solely Craftsman, as you can see here. And I've got some additional room or space on the lower portion of that pegboard for some additional Craftsman items. So I just wanted to show you that. DIYers, hopefully this helps. Hey, do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel, definitely ring the YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.